Goat milk powder, the surprising health hero you need now? Goat milk powder has come into the limelight as an important health supplement in the last few years. Be it lactose intolerance, skin issues, or lethargy, this powder comes to your rescue all the way. But what is the secret factor that makes it still a little bit special? In this video, we want to explore some delightful surprises that could turn an ordinary goat milk powder into your next superfood. Evidence from medical science. So, what is in goat milk powder that makes it a more nutritious option? Let's analyze this. The lactose intolerant. Approximately 68% of the population in the world has some form of lactose malabsorption, according to data by the National Institutes of Health, NIH. Therefore, goat milk powder is an acceptable choice for people who are lactose intolerant. Digestibility. A study published in Food Research International in 2016 found that goat's milk with its smaller fat globules, less complicated protein structure, made it more digestible than cow's milk. What more? Goat's milk may also be good for digestion, as stated by a report in the Journal of Dairy Science in 2015 that said it suited those with sensitive stomachs. Probiotics and bone health. Research in the Journal of Dairy Science in 2015 confirmed that goat's milk is rich in calcium and magnesium, two essential minerals for keeping bones strong. The International Dairy Journal in 2017 also published a study showing that goat milk's natural probiotic content could keep the gut healthy, supporting immune response and overall digestive wellness. Medium-chain fatty acids. Research in Food Research International 2016 revealed that those medium-chain fatty acids easily get absorbed in the goat's milk with quick energy contribution and additionally promote fat metabolism. Digestive benefits. An article in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition published in 2014 stated that goat milk has the best effect on people suffering from lactose intolerance as well as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, by demonstrating enhanced digestibility along with improving digestive comfort. Fallacy. And about the widespread fallacy regarding goat milk powder which tastes too strong or even pretty awful. Well, the recent studies have shown that the taste is much milder than that, and many people who change to goat milk powder have found it blending well to smoothies, shakes, and recipes. There is no problem with that aftertaste. Conclusion. Goat milk powder is not a mere substitute for mainstream dairy products. It is, rather, a superfood loaded with nutrients that can be a boon for immunity, digestion, and bone health. With easy digestibility, high nutrient content, and natural probiotics, it is definitely a game changer in overall wellness. Suggestions. Now it's your turn. Have you tasted goat milk powder? What benefits has it brought? Share your experiences and comment on these matters below. Don't like, share, and subscribe for more health tips coming your way.